Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of September 2nd, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. This Monday is Labor Day. Enjoy your 3-day weekend. No school on Monday. September 12th through the 23rd, vision, hearing, and BMI checks are for grades kindergarten, 1st, and 3rd, providing permission was given on the health form. Monday, September 26th, and Wednesday, October 5th, the school will be closed for fall holidays. Friday, October 14th, and Thursday, November 8th are teacher work days. No school for students, and Thanksgiving break is November 21st through the 25th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hello, PBMA family. I'm Mr. Holligan, the assistant principal here at the secondary campus. We have our sports starting up next week. We have our first flag football game next Friday, September 9th. It's over at the Lantana Sportsplex, so come on out and support our Sharks. We also have soccer signups in the front office, so if you're interested in soccer, please come out to the front office to sign up. This week is the last week for band signups. So this week is the last week for band signups, and we currently have soccer signups. Thank you.
Let's see what's happening in secondary art.
Good day. I am Ms. Lyman, the art teacher at PBMA. And this past week, we were studying one-point perspective and creating depth in our artwork. And these are just a few samples of some of our students and their success in creating this illusion. We also studied layering colors to create new colors from just 5 primary colors. Well, 2 of those aren't primary, but red, yellow, and blue are. Anyway, we were learning how to layer colors to create new colors. So I'm excited to see what we're going to do next week.
Bus riders, please remember to be out of your cars and at the bus stop when the bus arrives. Buses cannot wait for students to walk to the stop from their cars. Please have your student finish saying goodbye, grab their belongings as soon as you see the bus approaching. That way, you can be standing at the bus stop once the bus arrives. Here's a message from Miss Maloney and Mr. James.
Hello, my name is Miss Maloney, and I'm the literacy coach at the secondary campus. Our students are getting ready to take the first of 3 progress monitoring tests in ELA. Please make sure they get a good night's sleep and a healthy breakfast that morning. We have field trips coming up to the Kravis Center scheduled in October. Middle school will see a play called And Called It Macaroni about Paul Revere, and high school will watch a musical performance by Bello. These permission slips will be coming out shortly, so be sure to turn them in as soon as possible. If you have any questions, you can email me at kmaloney@pbmalantana.org. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Robert James. I'm an English language arts teacher at Palm Beach Maritime Academy. I teach journalism, intensive reading for 6th grade, English 3, regulars and honors. I also teach creative writing. I'm the faculty sponsor of the Poetry Club, which meets on Wednesdays at 3:30 to 4:30. I'm also helping coach the touch football team. I hope to see you at some of the games. Thank you.
The Name Bubbles Company made a donation to our elementary campus to support our Positivity Project program. Name Bubbles founder Michelle Brandis has a child with allergies, and she worried about having his items mixed up unintentionally in daycare. Michelle attempted to use tape and permanent markers to label her son's items. The labels would come off or the markers would fade. Michelle created the Name Bubbles, a company that sells waterproof, laundry-proof, and dishwasher-safe kids' labels. 15 years later, Name Bubbles desires to positively impact parents and students' lives by partnering with organizations like the Positivity Project. Name Bubbles has raised over $200,000 for various charities because they believe that young people are the future and they want to have a primary role in supporting them, their families, and their positive personal development. And finally, here are our elementary Sharks of the Month, celebrating their achievements by having popcorn with the principal and Sharky. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.